Your name?
I am Iris the Fleet.
Dispatch a fleet of buzzards and have them board her.
Say, I handle plenty of buzzards who tried to get fresh with me.
Woe to you!
Woe to you, too.
By what gate did you enter? Did the captain of the cormorants issue you a challenge?
I've seen a nice captain, but he didn't offer nothing. Bashful, I reckon.
So you confess. You don't have a passport? No one put a label on you?
Was that what he was doing?
Without our permission, you fly through all our skies as if you own them.
Of course. Where do you think Gus Dodge is going to get our exercise?
I neither know nor care. But if you do it again, you'll be put to death.
It so happens, Buster, that I am immortal.
Yep, just the same. Things have come to a pretty pass if you think you gods can wing your way along our frontiers.
Oh, I'm honest to God. I have to run an errand.
Wait a minute. What errand?
Zeus sent me to Earth to tell mankind to sacrifice an ox or something. The meat shortage is getting pretty tough. He wants a little of that smoke upstairs. It helps to clear his sinuses.
What? Sacrifice to Zeus?
Well, of course. Who else? Zeus? My father? He's a god, you know.
Ho, ho, ho. Cackle, snicker, chortle, yes.
That's not very respectful.
Silence! Know that from this time forth there are no other gods but the birds.
Huh?
From now on, humans will sacrifice to us and not to Zeus, by Zeus!
Alas, deluded worm! Seek not to stir the guts of wrath etern, else heavenly justice with Zeus' pitchfork armed drops from on high to man's undoing and leaves not a rack behind. Fried and consumed shalt thou be, a sin that Eurypylean tragedy.
Madam, very dramatic quiver, I'll warrant you. But save it for some tragedy. Zeus keeps sending people like you. I'm going to have to act. Yes, mind your manners or I'll show you a thing or two.
You boys is a little like...